So now that we understand a single toss and we understand how to catch a rifle solidly, now we can start to move on to larger tosses. The double toss is going to be the first one that we talk about. Double toss prep, okay, let's talk about the prep, is going to be a series of spins, 2 counts worth. We then go into a flat position right into the angle. Okay, so let's break that down even slower for you. So we have 1, 2, count 3 is the flat. Count 4, the motivation is going to be in the right hand. So watch. Left hand isolated, right hand up to the angle position. Now, did we already visit this position? Sure we did. In the stop and start exercise. So you should already have that developed. So this is going to be nothing new to you. Okay? The new part will be the actual toss. What I want you to think about is bringing the butt down for the toss, okay, following through, and then trying to release once the rifle has hit the straight position down here, okay? Then we lead through with the rifle coming up for the release position. So let's just watch Michelle do the first 4 counts of the prep into and 1, but not releasing. And 1. Okay? That is how you need to break down this exercise first before you let go of the rifle. Okay? So now, the exercise will look like this. With the toss, we have 3, 4, and 1, 2, and. Okay? Your catch is going to be on 2, and. Okay? Let's think about that 2, and. So we know that we had to think of our butt coming down through this straight position first, then the butt led the rotation of the toss. Okay? So we have the rotation of the wrist then happening at the same time that you're releasing. Is the elbow going to come up like this on the release? No. Okay? It's going to come right to a nice flat position, and the release will happen out of there. So watch again. Watch that left elbow. Look at that. Okay? Not winging it up, and we want to make sure, and I'm trying to stress that on almost every exercise, keep the elbow in control, especially here. This exercise then can be done over and over and over. Michelle can demonstrate. Once again, developing that level of consistency over and over again. At the same time, we need to start thinking about SER, the stop, evaluate, and then relax, where we will evaluate, that's why we take a few counts of rest in between each one, to evaluate very quickly what you need to fix on the next toss. Now let's show you a toss that would be caught incorrectly and what would cause that, okay? So what happened here was multiple things. Michelle didn't think of leading through with her butt on that particular toss. She also made the release happen up here by her head, and also the motivation behind her left wrist was weak, in addition to the catch position is weak, okay? So in her evaluation process, Michelle's now going, okay, how do I correct that? And automatically she's going to go right into the exercise and correct it for us. Okay, so now think about what you just saw that was incorrect, think about what you just saw as being correct, and use that information in your self-evaluation of what you're doing in your double toss exercise.